Here's what audiences are saying about Collision of Culture, the Suttons' return.
Oh, the play was wonderful. Wonderful. I really enjoyed it, and I will be back, and I'll bring some people with me.
Me personally, watching it from the crowd this year, it was kind of bittersweet, I guess. It was kind of weird for the first time, but being a part of it is also definitely a great experience. Encouraging everybody, if you were looking into it, you should definitely come sign up and be a part of it.
I like everything about the play from the beginning to the end. It does everything, it makes you laugh, it makes you cry. It just shows you how much God truly loves us. And I tell you, Pastor Joy, God used her in a tremendous way.
I think that all the younger kids are doing a real good job. It kind of reminds me of when we were little, when we first started. I think that they're doing really good.
Hello. So I just left from seeing the Suttons, South Africa, and I will advise everyone to come out and see it. It's one of those things you do not want to miss. It's not your typical church play. You wouldn't even thought you was in the theater somewhere. So come out and see the kids. They took their time to do this. Pastor Joy took her time to do this. So come on out and have a good time.
Everybody did a good job. I really liked it. It was a good play. I'll be back again next week. Back again. I'm bringing more people to come see it. Keep it up. Okay.
Playing now through July 30th at New Life Ministries International, 10 West 7th Street, Chester, Pennsylvania. For showtimes, tickets, VIP, and group reservations, call 610-874-8752.